Holy shit!
My AK-47 got my 40 jealous. Green Goblin, she Red Robin, we look like watermelon. Last nigga gave me.
Oh shit. Here they go. These niggas dumb as hell.
Parents wanted me. I'm about to show them that she love me.
This is calling.
Tryna get higher on my love.
Bro, I don't even know where we are right now, G. Look at this thing. It's dirty, bro. Like, what is that, dude? Is she running rough right now? Sheesh, man. Oh, still gotta get the bid, though. Oh, shit. Hold up. Got me in the background. God damn, I don't know if we can drive over there, but why not? Let's go see where we're going, baby. That video is the last thing that you guys see of me, man. I don't even know where we're going, bro. Hopefully there's not like a tractor in the way. I'm gonna be absolutely terrified. Something jumps out, fucking kills us, dude. Holy sh. Oh, this is a neighborhood, man. We're gonna try to stay as quiet as we can. Oh my god. Oh my, really loud. Oh my god, there's another guy. Look at it. Look at it. What's up? How you doing? Where you going? Damn, dude, imagine, bro, that's somebody's garage, dude. Holy shit, dude, I'll be in love. It's probably like somebody's like tractor joint, but sheesh, man. Got the Camaro. Okay, valid. Oh my god, dude, imagine that being your driveway, dude. Scrape your shit, all types, man. Hey, man, I'd accept that to be my garage for reals. I ain't gonna lie, man. The door might be broken, but shit, man. The Z clean, man. The Z is gonna get mad dirty. Oh my god. Is that gravel? Oh shit, we're gonna have to turn around. We're gonna have to turn around, man. Oh my god, we're in grass. If we get stuck, I don't know what to say. Nah, there's no way we get stuck from this. All I want to do is take pictures, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's all in the motherfucking Skipley, man. Damn, free wheels or what? I feel like we're gonna get shot if we go too fast. Max speed limit is 30. We're going 20. Oh, that's a garage? Come on, man. That's a vibe, man. If they ask them, be like, hey, man, I got lost, man. Waze hooked me up with the shortcut, nigga, and I don't know where I am, man. All right, boys. Made it to the garage, nigga. Alright, we're gonna set y'all up. Set y'all up. She's beautiful, man. I love this thing. Bro, this thing's dirty, dude. Like, we just washed it, bro. Literally yesterday, man. Didn't even do anything. What the fuck? Alright. Let's get up out of here before we get fucking shot. You hear that flywheel? Sheesh, shit's ugly, man. Hurry your bitch ass up. You don't want to race though, man. Bro, what is that? Hold up. Maybe I'm tripping, but hold up. We're gonna get a closer look. Sheesh, man. Peep the cars though. Are they open? Nah. Yeah. Nah. Let me send this one to F though. Hold up, man. New scoop or what? Should we scoop one? The 4.2, man. Is that an ETR? Oh shit! Oh damn! I just hit my cam, dude. Damn, they got their name tags on there though. Man, that nigga got fired. He ain't got no name on that shit, nigga. Oh, them too, man. Both them niggas got fired, man. They're like, hey, man, take them niggas' names off. When your name off, you know you fired, nigga. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. I should have brought the cam. I don't know why I didn't, but. Sheesh, what the fuck? Police department. What the fuck? It's a nice little Sunday cruise, you feel me? Left or right? Comment down below right now. Oh, yeah, I said left? All right, bet. I seen this and I was like, I'm turning here. Might have been a mistake. Little ass crane, man. What the fuck? Shit. Oh, look at that garage getting made. Time out. We ain't even gonna talk about the view though. Sheesh. Yeah. Y'all see it? What the fuck? I don't know where we are right now, but fuck it. Holy shit! That road was hella fucked up, dude. But my shit was gonna be fucked up, man. Just a little sanding, not too much, you know. Still keeping it light. You gotta slow down though. Jeez, T-Rat, slow down, nigga.